Okay, so that's how the fight has been playing out. Let's go across to Atul Bhatkalkar of the BJP. He's a legislator, MLA here in Maharashtra. Atul Bhatkalkar, what is this bomb that Narayan Rane speaks about? Nawab Malik, Devendra Fadnavis spoke about a bomb. Still waiting for it. What's going on?
No, Devendra Fadnavis openly stated that Nawab Malik has underworld links and he is going to expose that underworld links of Nawab Malik in coming days. And that will be bomb, not Lavangi Fatakas. Take it from me. Every man in Maharashtra knows the black history of Nawab Malik, but he is day in and day out talking in such fashion that he is a great saint in politics. His own son-in-law was arrested for 8 months in drug trafficking. But as Anil Deshmukh was a pawn, here also Nawab Malik is a just frontman of Uddhav Thackeray and Sharad Pawar. This is my allegation.
But you seem to be teasing something. You're teasing something, but nothing has come out of it so far. Now, why are you waiting and what are you really waiting for? Diwali is behind us. Diwali was yesterday. It's over. So, are you going to come up with some sort of an expose?
Diwali is still going on. As far as Maharashtra is concerned, tomorrow the last day of Diwali. So, in next week, Devendra Fadnavis definitely will hold one press conference. There is no doubt about it in our mind. And Devendra Fadnavis, his whole Maharashtra BJP is with him.
Okay.
And so,
when can we expect you to come out with an expose then?
Next week, I have said in next week, definitely.
What is it about? Is it about what it is what you're alleging, some underworld links? What is it about? Why don't you be straightforward, Mr. Bhatkalkar? Is it about...
No, that's personally, I am not privy to that info. Devendra Fadnavis has stated on the other day only. So he must be gathering some information. And once paperwork is over by end of Diwali, once Diwali is over, in next week, he will hold a press conference.
Okay, let's see where the story goes. Very interesting developments in Maharashtra. Narayan Rane, Union Minister, also now threatening of political development. Now, Atul Bhatkalkar, one last question. Are you there?
Yeah.
Is it all? What's the guarantee that this is not some sort of a political game that you're playing? Because you are fighting on several issues, and then he also spoke about different ministers who are being who are being investigated, who could be picked up, who could be arrested. So is it part of a larger political attack on the Maha Vikas Aghadi government?
No. See, as far as income tax raids or any ED inquiry against Anil Deshmukh is concerned, that is everything is taking place due to the Mumbai High Court order. Mumbai High Court asked ED and CBI to investigate in Vasuli racket, not BJP. Even in Ajit Pawar's case, one ex-Marxist Communist Party MLA filed petition way back 4 years before in Mumbai High Court. And as per the Mumbai High Court order, these all raids and ED inquiries going on against Ajit Pawar. This is the tactics of anyway this Mahavasuli government.
Okay, let's see where it goes.
To divert the attention from the common man from the core issues. 52 lakh hectare land was ruined because of heavy water. But Uddhav Thackeray still has not got time to go there. He went to Baramati.
Now, what's the connection between that and this? Okay, let's see where the story goes. Atul Bhatkalkar, thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us. That's that's a BJP leader saying that the Diwali celebrations continue in Maharashtra until Saturday, and saying that you should expect a big expose on Monday. We're watching this space very, very closely. Stay tuned to Republic. We'll get you the story first.